Welcome to the GoCharting Primer series. This series is designed for traders who are just getting started with GoCharting. We'll guide you through each feature step by step in a series of short, easy-to-follow videos. In today's video, we'll cover how to sign up or log in, how to change your password or retrieve it if you've forgotten it, how to access your profile and billing section. Let's get started. Signing up or logging in. To begin, click the Sign In button. The login window will appear. Now, if you're new to GoCharting, click on Let's Get Started. As a new user, you'll need to fill in your details to complete the sign-up process. You also have the option to sign up directly using your Google or Apple account. Once your sign-up is complete, click here to navigate to the sign-in page. You can log in using your email and the password you just created. Again, you can also sign in directly using your Google or Apple account. If you want to sign in with the same Gmail or Apple ID, but don't want to use Google or Apple's direct sign-in method, simply create a separate password for GoCharting by signing up as we explained earlier. Forgotten or changing your password. In case you've forgotten your password or wish to change it, simply click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your registered email address, and we'll send you a code to reset your password. After that, you can easily set a new password, accessing your profile and billing section. To access your profile and billing information, click on this icon here. Then click on the billing from the drop-down menu. In the billing section, you can see all the details about your current subscription plan. If you'd like to add or change your plan, click the Change button. From there, you can select or deselect different plans and proceed to checkout. You'll also find your profile settings here. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into analysis and the scripts section. If you are on charts, you can also access profile and billing section by clicking here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll continue exploring GoCharting's features to help you get the most out of your trading experience.